So the journey starts with you, each of you as individuals, right? Having that dream, that vision, and then demonstrating the drive and the discipline to get it done. But recognize that no one succeeds by themselves, right? Each of us need all of us. Our lives, I like to say, are forged by many hearts and hands. And so recognize that regardless of the field that you're in, sports or pharmacology or whatever it is, regardless of your marketing plan, how genius it is, how amazing your products and services are, success isn't singular. It's a team sport, right? I'm plagiarizing Ken here now because it says this is the most consequent. I'm paraphrasing a little bit. Consequential team that you can ever participate in, right? But success is a team sport. It requires all of you to get it done. Marcus yesterday spoke about diversity, which is a conversation we had. My mind spoke about diversity. So I wanted to show this picture again. Because I know when you look at it, you see a fairly homogeneous group with 4 black guys from Jamaica, but we're pretty diverse, actually. 3 were from Kingston, 1 from the country, 2 was from uptown, 1 was from the hood, 3 were soldiers, 1 was a civilian, 2 were officers, 1 was a private. And in the Jamaican context, that's a very diverse group. You know, I live in America where people tend to think of diversity in terms of ethnicity and race, but there are so many other things. And what we're able to do is that we're able to lean on and lean into the different perspectives. And that's my challenge to you, because that helps us to succeed. You need all the perspectives. You need all hands on deck. So diversity is actually an amazing thing. It's a good thing. So all of you, something that I heard yesterday, it said it differently, you're the company's greatest assets. And so you treat your assets well, right? You treat them well. You're your greatest asset. You are the ones who are the real engines of progress, regardless of what's happening out there in the marketplace. Again, 2 years of COVID, all of us impacted by change and the changes that have to be implemented to keep the ship going. You're the ones who are impacted the most by it. So recognize that you have to treat the people that you're working with and the partners and the people in the clinical trials. Everybody is part of this amazing team, your greatest asset. Because what I've discovered as a soldier and as an athlete is that human beings, when they collaborate, when they work interdependently, magic happens, right? You push and you inspire each other and you're able to do some amazing things.